Bit of a wet and wintry day outside today. I'm going to be making up a batch of pumpkin soup today, so if you want to see how I make mine, just keep watching. These ones are Japanese pumpkin. I love these ones. I feel like they've got a lot more flavour than the Queensland Blues or the butternut. But either whatever pumpkin that you like. Just add that to your pan. I like to roast all my veggies. So I'll call mine a roasted pumpkin soup. It's mainly consists of just pumpkin, small potato, not too much potato, because a potato actually takes the flavour of the pumpkin away, and just a bit of garlic and a small onion and just a bit of salt and pepper, some olive oil, and I like to throw in some of my just homemade chili flakes, not too much, don't want to make it too hot. So I'll go ahead and cut all this up, and I'll bring you back when I've done that. So I've just got 2 small potatoes here and just a small onion. I've come across this really good potato peeler. In Australia you get it from Woolworths. It's a brand called Culinaire and it's only about $6 and it's the best peeler I've ever come across. So I went out and bought another one just in case they stop making them, but super good at peeling, so easy. Not like those old sort of red and orange ones that you get. I'll just cut those 2 in half there, just so they're roughly about the same size as the pumpkin. Throw those in. And here we go, the onions. Doesn't matter what method you use to try and stop onion odour getting in your eyes and burning them. I've tried lots of things, so I'll just sort of cut that up into just pieces like that because it's going to get all zapped up into the food processor. So just got only a couple of pieces of garlic left, which I'll put in 2 big cloves. I could probably even go and plant those, couldn't I? Pop them in there, a roll. That's done. I'll just cut that bit off. All good. I'll just cut those up into pieces. Like I say, it's all going to get zapped in the processor, food processor, once it's all cooked. So there we have it, and I'll just add some seasoning and some oil to it and pop it in the oven. So I've just got some nice olive oil, Australian olive oil. Sorry about that, I didn't record that. So I've just put some salt, pepper and some olive oil on there and a little bit of my chili flakes. We'll give that a bit of a stir up just to combine everything and make sure everything is coated. And I'll just pop that into an oven. I normally put it on about 180 for 40 minutes, just until everything looks nice and cooked. And we'll test it out after about 40 minutes. So I'll pop that on there for 40 minutes. Close enough. Oh, I've just pulled that out the oven. Just give it a bit of a stir up. Feels like it's the pumpkin's cooked, the potatoes are cooked. I could put it in just for a little bit longer, just to get just that nice little bit of a roasted colour to them, which will add that little bit more flavour. It's a lot of beautiful juices coming out of the pumpkin, mixed with a little bit of the olive oil. Just gonna let this cool down for 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll just pop it through the blender. So in the meantime, I'll just make up some vegetable stock, and I'll make about 2 cups of that, because we like our pumpkin soup quite thick, so I don't make it too sort of liquidy. So approximately 2 cups of boiled water. Just give those a bit of a stir up. Just let them sit there till they dissolve. Now it's time for the taste test. Oh, that's delicious. Just perfect on a really cold winter's day.